channel studying paramedical. So today I'm very excited to share my experience about my own family, superstar students and parents. So I was a kind of person who was very much introvert and used to hesitate all the time. But after involving in this motherly platform, I have built very good communication skills and I have overcome all my hesitations. So each and every study modules is like amazing and mind-blowing. It helped me a lot in excel in my academics and mainly have got to know the value of time and how we need to utilize in a productive manner. This stage will be having a lot of distractions, but through study modules and training sessions, I have learned how to focus on my goals that too in this competitive world. And one more thing that inspired me a lot about this organization is a fantastic and unique brothers and sisters culture and parents first philosophy followed by this organization. I bow my head to Dr. GVS sir, who is the founder and CEO of this superstar students and parents who are having a great vision and mission towards a wealthy, healthy and safest nation. So if you are a person who want to create a benchmark in this competitive world, then this is the right platform to explore and shine yourself. Thank you everyone.